Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we are opening the new Brilliant Stars booster box. Let's go. So we probably had the worst pack opening ever in the history of the channel last time. We opened Brilliant Stars ETB. That's a spoiler, so yeah, if you wanna go back and watch that, please check it. Feel free to check it out. God, we got some. God, these Pokeball symbols that are on the thing are very dusty. Come off very easily. God, I don't want to break too much. There we go. In. Okay. Alright. Let's get into this booster box. I'll put this down here. Okay. Third booster box on the channel. Looks nice. Some nice artwork in it. As always, let's take them all out, shuffle them out. So we got one side, and we got two sides. Okay, so we will split them into pack arts as we always do. And these, start this one. Oh, they're in order. Don't know if they're usually in order. They're usually randomized, but not in order anymore. Okay, next one. So I'm going to take so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 is 38. 36. Math. 36 packs. We are going to do 20 today because I'm going to save the other packs for a special video that is coming next. So look out for that one as well. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put them here actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we will put these to the side, back in the box for the next video. Right, okay. And let's move these here. Okay. Alright, so as always, let's rearrange these. I think we should do this order, and we'll just go one after the other. Speed round until we get something good. Let's just actually, before we start, get some sleeves out in case we need them. For the first ones, yeah, we'll get that out there just in case. Right, good to go. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so we're going to try to speed through this because there's a lot of packs to open today. And get a code card for you there. Okay. Oh, we ripped that one, and we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so it begins. The new energy cards. We've got a Torkoal, we've got a Rosian's backup, we've got a Probopass, we've got a Clink, a Dedenne, we've got a Cubchoo, we've got a Duskull, we've got a Farfetch'd, a Reversal Ultra Ball, and first is a Whimsicott V-Star. Well, oh. That is a nice looking card, and we are first pull of the day out of the first pack. That's better than anything we have pulled in the previous video, so let's get that sleeved up. Won't waste too much time on this. It's a very nice looking card. Center is good, so who knows, send that off to Ace Grading for submission later on, maybe? Right, I'm gonna reorder these. So we go bottom right to top left. You can see them, push that up there. Put this front center. Little stack of the others. Okay. Let's actually my head will be here, but you know, you get the gist. So we've done this one. Next one. Let's go right in. Yo. Got a code card for you. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Oh, we have a Tropius, a Morgram, we've got a Claydol, a Clink, we've got a Spiritomb, we've got an Axew, we've got an Impidimp, we've got a Magmar, we've got a full art Ariados. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, and then a non-holos. This must be a secret rare then. Well, shows how much I know about my knowledge of the new types, but oh. What do we do? We just say thank you, I think. That was so unexpected that I didn't even react very well to it, but full art, yeah, full art, secret rare, is that what they're called now? Well, get that sleeved up quickly. Oh. We're on a roll. We're on a roll already. Oh, this could be the best. Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it, Alex. Right, let's just keep going. Let's keep going. There we go. Go card. Charizard pack out. A 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a Prinplup, we've got a Cinccino, we've got Cleansing Gloves, we've got an Execute, we've got a Grimer, we've got a Snoozle, we've got a Bidoof, we've got a Electabuzz, a Reverse Holo Chimicho, and a non-holo Electrive. So first pack with nothing, but you know, 2 out of 3 ain't bad, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Right. Let's look at this one. First Arceus pack art. Let's get into it. You can probably see that, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one of these V-Star numbers to begin with. Very strange, these things. We have a Magma Basin. Let's get that focused. Come on. There you go. We've got a Crawdont. We've got a Ultra Ball. We've got a Throw. We've got a Shroomish. We've got a Piplup. We've got a Turtwig. A Sneasel. A Reverse Holo Baltoy. And a Holo Dusknoir. Okay. We'll still take that because, again, compared to the last one, we are flying high. I'll sleeve that. I'll pop these in the pile here. That's ace. That's an awesome start to the day. Right. Just adjust myself. Okay, so we are back to these pack arts now. Let's keep going. Trudging through. Code card for you. There you go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a Fire Energy. And starting us off, we have Hunting Gloves, we've got a Beartic, we've got a Floatzel, we've got a Chimicho, a Gible, we've got a Turtwig, a Trapinch, a Piplup, a Reverse Hollow Heatran, and non-hollow Excalibur. Yeah, let's just call it that. Okay, moving on swiftly. That. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. We have a Cafe Master. We've got a Gabite. We've got a Grottle, a Cherubi, a Sock, a Corfish, a Goulet, a Chimicho, a Reverse Hollow Manaphy, and a Hollow Infernape. That is, it's not a VMAX or anything, but it's a nice art. Again, take that, take that. Get him sleeved up. If we can open the sleeve, which is that way around, get him sleeved up and into the pile. Right, we will move these here and we will carry on. Please guys, if you're watching this, if you're enjoying what's been going on at the channel the last few months, I would appreciate it if you left a like, comment, you know, subscribe, all really appreciated. So then it obviously gives me more motivation to do more of these kinds of videos. Right, we've got a Choice Belt, we've got a Vibrava, Staravia, Shroomish, Perlian, Duskull, Sneasel, Corfish, Reversal Cast Form, and an Arceus V! Yes! Come on! That is unbelievable. Oh my goodness. Oh, sleeve him. Sleeve him quickly. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. What a card. We'll take him. I mean, he's not the gold edition, but he's one we wanted. He's one I wanted for sure. I am so happy with that. So happy. Thank you, Arceus, for joining the team. Joining Team 2U Unbox. Right. Let's carry on. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a Exeggutor, a Weevil. We've got a Kindler. We've got a Riolu. We've got a Burmy. We've got a Staryu. We've got a Carablast, a Clefairy, a Reversal of Farfetch, and a Tornadus non-hollow. Right, well, that's fine. I mean, anything's a bonus at this point. I mean, I'd love a secret rare. Well, I think we've got a secret rare, if I'm not being stupid. But we'd love one of those that Rainbow Rare Charizard. I think that's the next Rainbow Rare Charizard, Gold Rare Arceus. One of those two, maybe the Ultra Ball. But I am happy enough with this, to be honest. I'm happy enough, and we're still nowhere near. Right, let's. There you go. Code card. Okay, and we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got a Monferno. We've got a Gloria. We've got a Starmie, a Magma. We've got a Spiritomb, a Mermy, a Impidimp. We've got a Staryu. We've got a Reverse Hollow Axew. And a non-hollow Klinklang. Oh well. Oh well. pop that in the pile. Right, moving on. Have a code card, focuses, and moving on to, right. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. We have a Torkoal. We've got a double turbo energy, a Brinplup. We've got a Milcery. We've got a Cubchoo. We've got a Dedenne. Oh, we've got a Farfetch'd. We've got a Duskull, a Reverse Hollow Lurk, and a Wormadam. Oh well, it's gone out of focus for that because it knew to just look away the camera, didn't it? Right. On to this one. Yes. Okay, what are we getting in this? Or well, you can try and get that. It's a bit fuzzy, but if you get it, well done. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another V-Star card. Still haven't discovered why they're doing this, but you know. Freshwater set. A Sigilyph. A Marnie's Pride. We've got a Riolu. We've got a Starly. We've got a Milcery. We've got a Gyarablast. We've got a Clefairy. A Reverse Hollow Golett. And a non-hollow Staraptor. Well, just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Right. Go card for you. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got a Barry, we've got a Clang, a Cynthia's Ambition, a Chimchar, a Messino, a Boltoy, a Snorunt, a Nosepass, a Reverse Hollow Staraptor, and a non-hollow Flygon. Right, looks like we are getting into the nitty-gritty. Right. Sorry guys, had to quickly restart the cameras there. Right, we're still good. Still everything's the same. Right, we're off again. We have in second last. We're in this round of the second last pack arts. Right. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have a Blunder Policy. We've got a Luxio. We've got a Hitmontop. We've got a Cherubi, we've got a Sock, we've got a Corphish, we've got a Golett, we've got a Chimicho, we've got an Umbreon V, Secret Rare. What? Oh, this is just a surprise at this point. Ah, and a Hollow Infernape. Right, wow. Let's pop him down for a minute and have a quick look at this boy. Bloody. I think we can be pretty chuffed with this pack, with this box, but I mean, still no gold or rainbows, but hey. Umbreon V. I was saying the other day that I didn't get enough evolutions in the V format, but that's the second one I've got. Well, in different sets, but I'll still take that all day. We'll pop them there. Right, let's just keep moving because we don't want to make the video too long. I know I'm probably not stopping to appreciate the cards as much as I should be, but there's always time afterwards, isn't there? After the camera turns off, I will probably look at them for quite a long time. Right, we have a Luxio, we've got a Pot Helmet, we've got a Sigilyph, a Buizel, a Gible, a Trapinch, Execute, Starly. 2 in a row. This is amazing. Oh, I don't know if my body can handle this. Oh, I've gone red. Oh, I'm getting sweaty. I can't. I need to put them in sleeves. Right. Quickly. We got a Jolteon, Full Art, and a Zamazenta V. Oh, it's textured as well. You can feel it. It's got texture in the same pack. I mean, does it class as a gold pack? It does to me. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh. Right. Let's get the rest open before we finish. Before it just becomes too much and I collapse. Right. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, well, if you've tuned in and this is your first time, 1, it's your lucky day, and 2, leave a like for these pulls and subscribe. Hopefully we can see more in the next videos and in the future, and please, yeah, go back and watch the others. There's shorts that come out every day as well of pack openings. But yeah, please just leave a like, comment, subscribe, and a non-hollow Magmortar. Right. Oh, my brain's fried. My brain is fried. Right. I think this might be my last pack and leave the last 4 to join the second video that I'm going to be doing, the special video. I think that's what I will do actually. My heart can't take it. 2, 3, 4. Flip it over. Right. Last pack of the day. Okay. Cheren's Care. We got Beartic, Collapse Stadium, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Electabuzz, Hot Chula, Reverse Hollow Carablast. Final card is a Sincere V. Well, we'll take that to close off the day, won't we? Oh my goodness, this has to be the best box I've ever opened. This could be the best openings on a video that I've ever done, ever. This is brilliant. Right, okay, let's just recap quickly before we go. These are gonna get taken and moved into the next video. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video will come out hopefully in a couple of days, maybe a week. But yeah, that'll be an exciting one. You don't want to miss that one. That's going to be good. So yeah, right. Let's recap. So let's pull out the special arts, the full arts, the VMAXs. So we've got a Whimsicott VMAX. We've got a Simisear V. We've got a Jolteon full art, secret rare if I'm not mistaken. We've got a Zamazenta V, which looks amazing, and an Umbreon V, again looks amazing, an Arceus V, which, you guessed it, looks amazing, and then finally an Aridos full art, secret rare I do assume. Well, I think this is cause for celebration. So if you haven't left a like on this video after seeing that, I don't know what would make you. So not much else I can do except say thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Look out for that. It will be a good one. It will be a fun one. So I will see you there.